So before going to chloroplast, we have to understand about the plastids. That the plastids are of three types: the chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. The chloroplast is in green color and helps in photosynthesis. Then comes the chromoplast. It is colorful and helps in uh, coloring the different parts of the plants and of the cells also. Then comes the leucoplast. It is colorless and acts as a storage of food, air, water, and other things. So let's come to the chloroplast, which we are going to discuss today. So it is a round or oval-like cell organelle, which is made of a double layer. Okay, so you can see that these are two layers, and the outer layer is known as the outer membrane, and the inner layer is known as inner membrane. Now, as you can see, some space are found in between the inner membrane and the outer membrane. This is known as periplastidial space, and which is fulfilled by periplastidial fluid. So clear about the membranes. Then we move to the inner side of the inner membrane. Then comes a colloidal or jelly-like substance. This is known as the matrix. It contains ribosome of 55 to 70S. Then comes the RNA and DNA, enzymes and minerals, and different types of other things. Then comes some plate-like structures. So the plate-like structures are known as thylakoid, and these plate-like structures arrange parallelly and form the grana. So what is the grana? We can define it like that: the plate-like structures which arrange parallelly and form the grana. Now these grana are attached by connective tissue, which is known as stroma lamellae, or we can say that it is grana lamellae. Okay, so this is the whole structure of the chloroplast. Then when we move aside, then we come to the thylakoid. What is thylakoid? We knew that it is a plate-like structure which is a single membranous, but we will move to its inner side. So in the inner side, it is fulfilled by fluid which contains 250 to 300 different types of pigments which act as a unit of photosynthesis, is known as quantazome. So in this whole video, we got to know about the chloroplast and the thylakoid. So what is the chloroplast? It is a round or oval-like structure which has two membranes, the inner membrane and outer membrane. Then between these two membranes, the periplastidial space is found, which is fulfilled by periplastidial fluid. Now we got to know about the matrix, that it is a jelly-like substance or the colloidal solution which contains ribosome, RNA, DNA, enzymes and minerals. Okay, and the ribosome's sedimentation rate is 55 to 70S. Then we got to know about the grana, some plate-like structures which arrange parallelly and form the grana. Now these grana are attached by the grana lamellae or the stroma lamellae, or we can say the connective tissue. So this is the whole structure of the chloroplast, and by aside we got to know about the thylakoid. It contains the fluid which contains 250 to 300 different types of pigments which acts as a unit of photosynthesis, which is known as quantazome. Thank you, friends. This is the whole video of the chloroplast, and I think you got to know about the understand about the chloroplast.